Good day everyone, Stoker po, anak ni Mommy Rain at Daddy Silent. A family isn't always blood. It's the people in your life who want you and theirs. The ones who accept you for who you are. The ones who would do anything to see you smile and who love you no matter what. And in you, Mommy Rain, Daddy Silent, salamat sa pagmamahal na ibinigay niyo sa akin, even though nasa imo lang tayo pinagtagpo. Pero minahal niyo ako ng higit sa sobra. Tinorin niyong anak niyo. I found a place and love I called home. A family even not by blood, but the love you gave to us is pure and sincere. This day, as you celebrate your 11 months of love, let me wish you both a happy monthsary. With each passing month, your love grows deeper and more profound. Your unwavering bond is a testament to the power of love to overcome all the obstacles. As I witness another month of your togetherness, I am reminded that true love isn't just a fleeting emotion, but a conscious choice made every day. Your journey together epitomizes resilience, kindness, and unwavering support. To the parents that inspire me every day, best wishes to the both of you for all the months up to the years to come. I love you both in return. Thank you so much, Mommy and Daddy, for the love that you gave to me. Happy 11 months of love and still counting. Stay strong sa pagmamahalan yung dalawa. God bless to the both of you. I love you both, Mommy and Daddy. God bless us all.
Sa'yo ay aking nasilayan ng pangarap ko. Ikaw ay siyang magbibigay kulay sa aking mundo. Ngunit kung paano may di ko alam, at kung ano takdang kapalaran. And if I ever fall in love again, ikaw ang siyang aking pipiliin. Sinisigaw ng puso ko, ikaw ang tanging nais ko na makapiling. If I ever fall in love again, dati ayaw ko na sana muli pang magmahal, dahil pagod na ang pusong laging nasasaktan. Ngunit nang makita ka'y sumiglang muli, ang mundo ko puno ng pighati. And if I ever fall in love again, ikaw ang siyang aking pipiliin. Sinisigaw ng puso ko, ikaw ang tanging nais ko na makapili. If I ever fall in love again, giliw sana ay malaman mo, ngayon sumasaya dahil sa'yo. Sinisigaw ng puso ko, ikaw ang tanging nais ko na makapili. If I ever fall in love again, if I ever fall in love again.